Aloha talofa and yaurana, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kanani, Lokelani Filiata Angel Kahanui Asuega, and I'm your favorite Polynesian dancer here on YouTube. And in today's video, you're going to be watching a replay of the free Zoom class that I just held on May 1st for my intermediate and advanced dancers. I wanted to give you guys a trial class to kind of just see what my classes are about and what I'm about and see if it interests you. If you don't know already, I teach Ori Tahiti and hula classes online via Zoom. I am based in California, so all of my times are Pacific Standard Time, but we do provide the class recordings similar to what you're about to watch for those that need to take class at their own time or retake class or whatever it may be. I think that's like my favorite part about Zoom is just that everybody can genuinely learn at their own pace because you can either revisit the recording or be in your own home and you can, press play, pause, and whatever, think and process. And yeah, so this next term of classes begins on May 13th, and I'm taking new students until May 10th. All my classes are only 2-month commitments, so it's like the perfect time to kind of discover whether this is something for you or if it's something you don't really, connect with. But I feel like you'll definitely connect with it, and this class will give you a good intro to my vibes and how I am in my classes. So if you're an experienced Ori Tahiti or hula dancer, you guys can definitely benefit from my classes. And if you're crazy Ori Tahiti obsessed, I have a Pupuhere solo team that would be perfect for you. In our Pupuhere virtual competition solo team, it's competition-based lesson, so it's giving you all the fundamentals to be the best creative and the best performer that you could possibly be. The class is very hard and very advanced, and I do take dancers of all levels if they're down for the challenge and if they're ready to put in some work. But if not, if that's not your vibe, I also have regular classes throughout the week where we learn fundamentals, basics, and we have a really good time. I have a good balance of challenging you, but also just kind of vibing with you. Pupuhere, it's like boot camp. So just wherever you want to be, I have classes for all dancers. And I hope I see you there. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. We have a really cool contemporary choreography to a mainstream song. So that will be really fun. And leave some comments below, subscribe, check out my website, check out my social medias, all the above. And I hope you enjoyed today's class.
Make some sound boy run, and we will end your week just like a Sunday. We mash up the place, turn up the bass, and make them all have fun. Skrillex ablaze the fire, make it fun. Them we mash up the place, turn up the bass, and make some sound boy run, and we will end your week just like a Sunday. We mash up the place, turn up the bass, and make them all have fun. And we ablaze the fire, make it fun. Them we mash up the place, turn up the bass, and make some sound boy run, and we will end your week just like a Sunday. We mash up the place, turn up the bass, and make them all have fun. Skrillex ablaze the fire, make it fun. Them we mash up the place, turn up the bass, and make some sound. Why run? And we will end you with this. Mash up the place.
All right, let's hit a little bit of a 2-minute stretch really quick, and then we'll finish. Keep it up. Shake it out, shake it out. Take your left hip. Pull out.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. Look at all the women, them can't pick on my like. All the fruits, different shape, different size. Well, better when you pick it unripe. But when I rhyme, sweet out with every bite. Bad does all around, tell me what you like. Party round the clock, don't care what the time. Any type of girl, every other 999. Now, baby, let me talk to you, girl. Come and move your body, let's get in the mood. Get in the mood. Oh, yeah. Get in the mood. This flavor, oh, what a flavor. Keeps you wanting me the way that I want you. The way me want you. Oh, yeah, yeah. Rock with me, baby, rock with me. Bone me grind, come and wine with me. I'll bet cha if you want with me. Siva, my baby. Rock with me, baby, rock with me. Bone me grind, come and wine with me. I'll bet cha if you want with me. Anything you want, anything you want, anything you want. Yeah. Tonight is all about ya. No time, no place for another. Cause when you with me, girl, nothing can cool this a fire. So go and flex, you are winding the best. Later on we might go have sex. 9 months later, baby, one breath. Just a dream, let me put that to rest. Now baby, let me talk to you, girl. Come and move your body, let's get in the mood. Get in the mood, oh yeah. Get in the mood. This flavor, oh what?
All right, let's get to dancing. So breathe, relax all those muscles that you just woke up. Make sure your brain is focused here and not on whatever chaos is happening in your life. Turn your phones off, kick your kids out of the room, whatever you gotta do. Okay, so we're gonna start with some basics, easy stuff, open feet, but I'm gonna run through it really quick. So we're gonna go open feet, ami, feet together, ami. Open feet, ta'iri tamau, feet together. Varu, open, varu, close, and moving on between all of our basics. How I like to run basics is I don't wanna run back and forth, turn the music on. I'm gonna do a movement, you're gonna watch me. I'm gonna go, look, bum, 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 bum. 5, 6, 7, me and you, bum, 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 bum.
Samba. 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 Samba.
Whanota uva anei I te are miti whati E nararu mai E nani atu ta uva ai E tane ai tue Whanota uva anei Nā te tai wawea E nāraro mai E nani atu ta uva ai E tane ai tue Einani atu ta uva ae e tane ai tue.
Good job. That one was a little harder, for sure. Faster pace. Our legs are pretty awake. Let's wake up our arms. Follow me.
Ho'i mai tapu tapu atea a oro e hau whaatau aroha. Ho'i mai tapu tapu atea a oro e hau whaatau aroha a oro.
warm up. So if you came here for Crazy Fa'arapu, I apologize. Today is not that day. But I thought I would bring to you a little bit. I used to always call it creative choreography because my foundation is in Polynesian dance, but also I was born and raised in California, got a little groove in my soul. So I like to go back and forth between just this influence that I had growing up to my foundation of dancing. So I want to bring that to you today. Bring to you music that you may understand because it's modern music or mainstream music, but have that understanding of Polynesian dance, the spiritual side, always in the back of your mind. So when I say these words with my movement, yes, they're in English, but I think of them as so much more. Polynesian people are very deep, are very poetic. So the song we're going to do today, you might know it. Let me play it real quick for funsies. Yeah. Listen.
Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Let me show you love. I don't pretend. Stick by my side even when the world is giving in. Oh,
rhythm to it. And I want to, for my advanced dancers, a lot of you are probably discovering your more creative side now that you're moving on in your dance journey. Maybe you're a teacher yourself and you choreograph. So I want to bring you through my thought process, but also groove with y'all. So here we go. Here, right foot is up, or if you're mirroring me, no matter, here. Okay, so from here, but you're going to take your body to the corner and you're going to step, bum, set, down, set, bum, set, down, right there. Your hands are going to go here, down to the side, and you're just going to push, wave it back, push, wave it back, here. All right? I'm the only one here with me, so I'm running back and forth with the music. Here we go. Tautea. I'm running, but you're ready. Pointed toe, shoulders back, chin lifted, core engaged, and you're to your angle. Here we go.
can I call you baby? Can you be my friend?
Easy. So we move on. It's on the first one. Thumb, 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 thumb. And extend your body. Thumb, thumb, thumb. Here. Can I be your baby? From here, you're going to take it up. Can I be your baby? Right here. Okay? Can you be my friend? And you're going to pull your right arm. Or if you're mirroring me, no matter. Can you be my friend? Here. Palms are down. One more time. Tautea. 5, 6, 7, and energy front. Hey, energy back. Hey, repeat. 2. Hey, 3, 4. Hey, 1, 2. Hey, 3, 4. Your brains are going to be working just as long as just aside mine. So if we forget it, it's all good. Just groove. Catch your beat. I'm going to be late, so don't be late. Here we go. Hey.
Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Let me
Moving on. Present bum bum. Left, 2. As you go, ope. 1, 2, varu, imua, bum, 2, 3. From the top, don't be late. Try to remember it, don't be a robot. Here we go.
Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end?
One more time from the top, and we move on. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Process, process, process. Ori.
until the very end. Let me show you.
Let me show you love. I don't pretend. Fast movement. We finished to the front. Right, left, right, left. Here we go. Step left. Da-da. Push down. Push back. One more time. Step out, around, down, back. Nice light work here. 10. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me show you love. I don't pretend. Easy, okay? Hands. Here. Step. Palms in. Step. Palms in. Drop here. And then you're gonna pull. So when you say I don't pretend, this is the creative part that I wanted to bring to you guys being advanced dancers. The way I hear I don't pretend is I don't have to show I can show my true self. I don't have to show the masked self of me. So when I do that, it goes, let me show you love. I don't pretend. Down. Fingers are spirit fingers. I don't pretend, taking that mask off and presenting. So those are those deeper hand movements that I really want to see out of your dancing after this workshop. When I watch you guys through social media, have something that says more to the lyrics that you're given. One more time from the top. Here we go.
Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Let me show you love. I don't pretend. Stick by.
1, 2 on that knee that's popped. One more time. Flow with it. Hey.
Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Let me show you love. I don't pretend. Stick.
Moving on. Tuta pere pere. We come up. Up. Tuta pere pere. Thumb, thumb to the front. Here. Hands. Bum, bum. Pulling it in. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it goes, stick by my side even when the world is giving in. Here, when the world is giving in. 2, 3, 4. Okay, one more time, walking. Tuta pere pere, you just express that back arm. 5, 6, 7, and thumb, 2, 3, 4. I'm sorry, use your right. In, 2, when the world is giving in. One more time from the top. As you tuta pere pere at a nice hura, tamautere. Here we go.
Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Let me show you love. I don't pretend. Stick by my side even when the world is giving in. Oh, don't.
Put it back into the front. Thumb, thumb, 2, 3. Open, open, fist, fist. Last time. Here we go.
Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Let me show you love. I don't pretend. Stick by my side even when the world is giving in.
All right, moving on. Oh, don't you worry. I'll be there where you want me. But the music, listen to that drama in the music, and I want your body to match.
Feel when the world is giving in. Oh, don't you worry. I'll be there whenever you want me.
You hear those ting, ting, ting in the back? These are things, if you're a creative or a teacher, focus on every instrument that's in the music. Or a solo dancer, performer in general, it's a good mental note to always have. As much as you're a dancer, you are just as much a musician. Here we go. So, to the front, dum dum. From here, you're gonna pull all that mana and energy from your chest. I need you to have control of your core. Here. Okay, so we just finished here, and it's gonna go push, push from that chest, below your susus, up to the susus, through the chin, and up. Okay, so from here, release those hands. You just finished here, and then you're gonna pull two hands, boom, here, up, here, and then watch, lead with your elbows, down, 2, 3, to the side, easy. But you have to feel elegant. You have to embody the energy that you want to bring outside, okay? So if you're going, double check. Boom, 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 2, 2, 3, 4. A big note are those elbows. I often see dancers here, which we love it. It's perfectly straight, but it doesn't have fluidity, dum dum. My arms are still elegant and long and stretched. There's just a little swag in it. So let's catch that last bit.
I don't pretend. Stick by my side even when the world is giving in. Oh, don't you worry. I'll be
forward, hura, 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 and then step to the corner. Boom. Thumb, thumb, thumb. 2, 3, 4. From here, watch. Push. Right there. Thumb, thumb. I'll be there. Watch. Whenever. Right here. And you're going to walk, need, me. Easy. One more time. Tuta pere pere. 5, 6, 7. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thumb, thumb. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bum, bum. Bum. Dum, 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 dum. Top, top. Hey. Hey.
Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Let me show you love. I don't pretend. Stick by my side even when the world is giving in. Oh, don't you worry. I'll be there whenever you want me. I need
Last 4 count. Count 1, count 2, booty 3, and 4. And Ami to the front. We try again. Try your best. Hey.
Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Let me show you love. I don't pretend. Stick by my side even when the world is giving in. Oh, don't you worry. I'll be there whenever you want me. I need somebody.
Try one more time, running through. Here we go.
Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Let me show you love. I don't pretend. by my side even when the world is giving in. Oh, don't you worry, I'll be there whenever you want me. I need
somebody who can love me at my worst. From here. Okay, you're gonna pull in, so play with the rhythm. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. Dum 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 dum. Right there. So from there, bum bum here. Vadu, I need somebody who can love me at my worst. Bum bum. Finish. Okay. Reach for it. So side of my body. The other two are on that corner. Palms are into my face on that right there. Okay. 5, ami to the front. 5, 6, 7. Hey, I need somebody who can love me at my worst. Don't. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. From here, you're gonna kind of like be within yourself, and it's going around. No, I'm not perfect here, but I hope you see my here. And you're gonna pull out my worth. 2, 3, 4. And release all that energy. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7. Vadu. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. Boom. Oh, and then from here, you're going to keep your Vadu. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bum, bum. And you're going to pull out and 2. Right there. Make sure you have a nice angle, nothing else in a weird spot, straight in the corners. And you express, you go very big from the chest and the core. Thumb, thumb, stay tall. 5, 6, ami, 7, hey. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. Da, 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 da. Boom. Okay? Hold your balance. Here we go. From the top, make sure 2 toes are up top.
Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Let me show you love. I don't pretend. Stick by my side even when the world is giving in. Oh, don't you worry, I'll be there whenever you want me. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. 'Cause it's only
When I think of like the word worth, or when you talk about self-worth, for me, it's like I think of it at an outward place, like when I'm really proud of who I am and I'm just lost in the sauce of myself. That's that expression that's happening at the end. Okay, don't like I'm waking up. No, it's like I'm a star, I'm bright, I'm shining, I'm everything like that. So here we go one more time. And then on a technical level, the movement is not here and it's not here. If I go shoulders here, my chest is to my audience, but my belly button is still over here. Pull here. For me, I think it creates more of a shape in a moment for your body. So even that one pose says more when your body's angled in the right way. Here we go. Top of the music, express it, let it go. Hey.
Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Let me show you love. I don't pretend. Stick by my side even when the world is giving in. Oh, don't you worry, I'll be there whenever you want me. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. 'Cause it's only
Let's add just a little more, and then we're done for the choreo, and then we're gonna run it in groups, and then I'm gonna present a little bit more to you. So to finish it,
worth. 'Cause it's only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you.
all right, so from here, it's like 8 more counts, 16 more counts maybe. Up, here, and then from here, you're just gonna take yourself down, all the way, switch over, here, kick, up, 2, 3, 4. Da-da, okay? So as we pull up here, you're gonna cover yourself in 2, 3, 4. Point to the audience, 3, 4. Up. Hold on, sorry. Up. Kick, 2, 3. This is just a groove. I'm not even stressing about choreo. So whatever leg you end up kicking, just go with it. Just let it fly. Okay? So one more time. At my worst, cover in, point at the audience, kick up, 2, 3, 4, off stage. Ori.
Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Let me show you love. I don't pretend. Stick by my side even when the world is giving in. Oh, don't you worry. I'll be there whenever you want me. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. 'Cause it's only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I do the work. Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Let me show you love. I don't pretend. Stick by my side even when the world is giving in. Oh, don't you worry. I'll be there whenever you want me. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. 'Cause it's only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I do the worst.
Here we go. Ori.
Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Let me show you love. I don't pretend. Stick by my side even when the world is giving in. Oh, don't you worry. I'll be there whenever you want me. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. 'Cause it's only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I do the worst.
All right. Papatai, mahalo, and marururoa for being here and taking your time on your Saturday to spend with me and to spend with Ori Tahiti. So yes, we did a contemporary piece. I chose that for the advanced class because if you're in the advanced intermediate, I know you know your basics, and every day in the week, you're probably busting a fa'arapu. So why not just feed our soul more than the muscles in my legs? But I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to take any more classes with me, I have my commitment-based classes open now. I get a lot of questions. The all levels class, which is probably something you guys would be interested in, has beginner, intermediate, and a combo class. So all week long, you kind of hit multiple skill levels. If you're more intermediate, that would be amazing. If you're advanced and you want to have intense Ori Tahiti training, like what I call like Ori Tahiti boot camp, Ori Tahiti on crack, I don't know, I can make a lot of jokes about it, but it's like rough. It's a rough class. Join Pupuhere Solo Team. If I never see you again, or if I see you for the next drop-in or free class, I hope you guys have a beautiful life, beautiful dance journey, and thank you so much for being here. I'm gonna go ahead and play music, and you can just exit the meeting. Exit. Peace out, homies. Thank you.
If you stay forever, let me hold your